Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9.
And this is my friend. My friend name is Erika. And my name is Ananda Lutfiani.
So today we are going to present our video about asking for and giving permission. So please give our comment at our last video. Enjoy!
Oh, hi Ananda. Did you see the charman? Oh.
I will leave it to you.
Where are you going?
I'm in hurry. Bye.
What?
You're really busy.
Coincidentally, because you are the vice chairman, can I permit?
Of course, but for what?
I have permission for this month for senior meeting.
Do you have the recommendation letter?
This.
Okay, I'll give it to the lecturer.
If it's not mistaken, today the assignment from mathematics lecture is also collected, right?
Yes, if I'm not wrong.
Can I leave a statement?
Okay, just leave it to me.
Wait a moment. Here.
Okay, I will get along with the letter.
Alright. I think it's the time for the meeting. I'll see you soon.
Bye, be careful, Nanda.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye!
So how about our video? Is it good or not?
And thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if we made a mistake.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you later, guys.
Bye.